What's up guys? In this issue you will see the third generation Ford Capri and we will talk a bit about its history. The Ford Capri, which used the Ford Cortina mechanical components, was conceived as the European equivalent of the Ford Mustang. It became a very successful car. In total about 1.9 million units were sold during its production. Capri has always had a wide range of engines, including powerful V6 for full option and inline 4-cylinder, as well as V4 for simpler models. Although the Capri was not officially replaced, however, the second-generation Ford Probe, which appeared on the European market in 1992, actually became a change. Ford Capri Mk III, created in 1978, represented the latest generation of the car and was distinguished by a more solid and energetic appearance. Aerodynamics was significantly improved. A characteristic stamping appeared on an elongated hood, instead of rectangular optics. Popular at that time, twin round headlights with halogen lamps were used. A spoiler appeared at the rear, moldings on the doors. The latest Capri was produced at a factory in Cologne, West Germany. In the last year of production, only right-hand drive models for the UK market were produced. Subscribe to the channel, comment on the video and click on the bell. You tell new videos, guys.